All right, so welcome. This is Kevin Alex Bent right now. So I want to do this video today, and this is November the 6th, 2020. I want to do this video today for the team of persons out there that want to know what's happening right now. What is happening today? I want to take a chance to do a weekly review of what is happening in the Forex market. In particular, why? Because persons been asking me how the trade's been going. It's been going good. We had a good week in the Forex market this week, and making that money. But I want to put it out there that the the gold market in the Forex market, it is very much volatile right now, and you should stay out of the trading gold on a whole this week. The week has finished. This is Friday today, but I'm telling you now to over next week is going to be very volatile market in the gold market. So for this week, I've been winning the trades, and what I've been winning the trades on basically is US versus CAD, and that's Canadian, right? USD, CAD. Been a good week so far. So what I did was to actually take the time to show you guys on my live, on my stories of how I've been winning the trades consistently this week. Um, and I want to do more videos like this to really bring you up to speed what's happening as well. But do remember that I have my private tutoring class that is taking place with my clients and so on in Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency. So sometimes I do not get the time to really do these videos as well. And do remember that we have on a Saturday at 8 o'clock, we have Entrepreneurs Talk, Virtual Trade Entrepreneurs Talk Show. So I have that going as well. So today, I'm just going to take time to point out about five currency pairs that is good and it is not so volatile as the others that I've experienced. And these are US versus CAD, um, CAD versus Swiss francs, Australian versus CAD, and CAD versus JPY, Great British Pound versus CAD. All right, so those are the five currency pairs that right now in the market is not so volatile. And based on what is happening with the US election right now, um, currency pairs, in particular with the US right now and gold, um, between those pairs is going to be very much volatile. And when I say that is that the trades will go in, take profits, and the case maybe if you don't, take the profit, stop the trade out. Sometimes you will find that the trades are not hitting the take profit, but it will go into profit. So I've been experiencing that with the gold market and the US pairs in particularly. So let me show you something when you see on my screen right now. So this is US versus CAD, and I've been trading this pair for this week. As you can see, you have some really big swings in the market, but not that much. I mean, if you look right here, this was just a bullish trend right here. And this is also institution flow with hedge funds and so on, but it's quite natural in the market. However, as you can see from here, the 30th of the month of October, going over into November, the market has been going into a state of sell, right? So this been happening, it's been going down and keep on going down. So the market right now is in a sell state, which is good. The market normally recycles and so on, but that's fine. But the fact is, you can actually watch the trade. So if you've been watching how I've been doing my trades, you know that I use a very simple technique where it indicates the second candle confirms and then goes into a trend. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Simple formula to follow. 1, 2, 3 indicates confirm trend, right? Well, we normally take the trade on a trend candle, And do remember, I say trend is your friend. So whenever the trades are going in a trend, that is when you're going to take the trade. I just want to point that out, and the fact that um, what is happening right now in the market, these pairs, US versus CAD, is not so volatile as the others, right? And this has just been a downtrend, which I'm going to show you guys just quickly because quite a bit of pairs I want to show you. But I just wanted to show you that, you can trade this currency pair. It's not so hard to manage, and you can actually monitor the trade properly. Um, so here is just have consolidation, which is contracting. If you guys been following me for a while now, you must know what contraction is. This is a contraction areas in the market right now, just right here. Um, and if you learn to trade properly, you won't have a problem. I'm telling you, you won't have a problem because you can get up every day and you do proper risk management in your trades and you should be fine. So it's contracting there. This is the area right here from the 26th of October when it went up into a bullish trend right here. From here, the market changed. So if I do a right here, which is the 28th, from the 28th, we have this buy up here in the market, bullish trend from ever since it went back down. And it's been giving off good margins, as you can see, with the different pairs, in particular this particular pair. So I love this market. So US versus CAD going good, and it's not so volatile. That's the highlight I want you to take away from this lesson is that it's not so volatile and you can trade this currency pair. Stay out of the gold market. Now let me put a gold currency pair on the screen so you can understand. So this is gold versus USD. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here in the markets, you can see this is gold XAU USD. This is gold versus USD. So if you look right here, you will see a lot of exhaustions in the market. It pertains to selling off in the markets right here. You see this big wick right here. You'll see it right here as well, more like a tweezer formation right here. And the spread on the margins are not so much. So if you look right here, you will see that it was more like in between kind of thing right here with these uptrends that have been taking place. So if you were trading these pairs right here, you will even not know if the trade was going down or up. More like it's contracting right there and it's taking a step up, even though you see the steps going up. But here as well, and if you look right through it, you will see these big exhaustions in the market, which plays out institution flows, which as a retail trader, you stay away from when the hedge funds and the banks are doing their trades. They'll stamp you out of the trade. And that's what these big candles represent right here. And these big exhaustions in the market, as you can see, is right throughout both in the bullish market and in the bearish market, sellers market, buyers market, same thing. Exhaustion on both sides. They just all over the place. They just everywhere. You can't really get a good pattern out of it, as you can see here. So big exhaustions, tweezer formations, consolidation happening right throughout. Consolidation happening right here as well. You will see it. You will see it right here. So these things you really need to look out for when the market becomes too volatile and what currency pair to trade. So I will tell people, do not just trade one currency pair. Have about 5 currency pairs that you like and you study them, and then you can actually practice with these ones, right? So this is what is happening in the gold market. So gold versus USD. And let's see what happened with gold versus euro. I'm going to drop that in right now. So this is gold versus euro. And as you can see, it plays out literally practically the same here, same thing. A lot of big swings in the market, big institution flows, a lot of exhaustion right throughout. So you're not getting any full candle, basically. Um, and when you do get a full candle play out in the market, meaning price happening and price action happening, it is being done by the hedge funds or the banks. Retail traders really and truly is not really getting any good trades right here. Look at it, just rubbish in the markets right there, right throughout. Big exhaustion right here, and this is a different currency pair right here. You see that? So after you have a big sell-off, you're supposed to have a buy up, right? So it happens like that in the market. When you have a sell-off, you have a buy up. When you have a buy up, you have a sell-off. And as you can see right here, it is playing out in this kind of manner, which is just not cool, right? And this is versus gold versus euro right there. So stay out of the gold markets right now. Right now. Let's look at some CAD pairs. So look at in CAD versus JPY. As you can see, it's more flow. Have more thickness in the candle, more spread. If you go on a 1 hour time frame, you will see that it has a lot more spread, especially with the crosshair. Let's see how much pips this is. This is 43 pips. And if you look right here, you have this big exhaustion as well. Big exhaustion as well. So the markets within CAD versus JPY, it is a lot of big swings happening outside right now in other countries. And these are right now, normally the stronger pairs would be US versus JPY. I don't personally really trade CAD versus JPY that often. But my pair would be with CAD would be US versus CAD right now. But this particular week has been very volatile for a lot of currency pair. And this is one of them as well, even though this is a good pair to trade. CAD versus JPY. As you can see, they have a lot of spread, but the case may be they're not so bad in terms of the exhaustions in the market. You get the whole candles. You can see, and you follow it right throughout. Right, you have a sell-off, you have a buy-up. Sell-off, you have a buy-up. Right, sell-off here, you have the buy-up, and this is all a bullish trend right here. Good stuff. So let's look at the next one, which is the other one. British pound versus CAD. Okay, so Great British Pound versus CAD, not so bad, but let's look at the next one. Let's look at Australian versus CAD. And these pairs right now we're talking about, these are not so volatile pairs right now in the market, Australian versus CAD. And as you can see, a lot of tweets of formation taking place, but at the same time, this would be a consolidation here. The buy-ups here within the bullish trend. Here, it has more traction, right? You can actually see, indicate, confirms, and it goes into a trend, and it's not rushing the trade. And in case maybe it's just fluctuating all over the place, you can actually watch the pattern and know what this is doing here as well. As you can see here, lovely there, a lot of tweezers formation right here. And this is a reverse right here. So it ain't a problem trading off Australia versus CAD. I don't see any problem with this pair right here. You have a sell-off here, and then continues to down there, from here to here, still a downtrend, and then it changes and go all the way into a bullish trend. So quite a bit of pips right here right now. Let me see from here all the way down here. This is about what, 80, 80, 700, 78 pips, somewhere there. On this side, let's see, 35, 34 pips. Not so bad. Let's see this big one right here. Well, how much is this one? This is an institution flow, by the way. It's about 26 pips, 27 pips in one candle. So you can actually see the market and you can actually take the trades in these markets. You see the buy up here and you see the sell off here. Buy up, sell off, buy up. And this is called bullish. And then you have bearish. So you can buy here, sell over here. On all these you can sell off, buy up. And you can see right through the chart. That's what is happening right now with this currency here. This is Australia versus CAD. And it's been operating like that for this week. So we can go over next week and see how is that working out. But these are some of the currency pairs I told you that I want to touch base on. US versus CAD, CAD versus Swiss francs, Australian versus CAD, CAD versus JPY, and Great British Pound versus CAD. 260 profit US trade this week as well. 160 was good, and I made $30 yesterday, so not bad, not bad. So this is election trades right now. So this is what is happening. So if you want to know what pairs to trade right now based on the election that is happening right now, stay out of the gold market. It's a volatile market. And these are 5 currency pairs that I mentioned that you can actually look into if you want to trade these currency pairs. All right. And do remember that past performance does not guarantee future performance. Trade is risky, right? And you should use proper risk management, all right? All the best, guys, on your trades, right? And I wish you well. See you soon. Bye-bye.